Tree Removal Kaleen. LiRo Tree Services offers professional tree services in Kaleen, ACT, ensuring the safety and appearance of your property. We specialize in tree removal, handling everything from cyclone-damaged trees to clearing space for new developments. Our licensed tree surgeons provide essential tree health, risk assessments, and maintenance strategies to keep your trees thriving. We handle routine trimming and complex removals, ensuring your trees stay healthy and well-maintained. Tree lopping and trimming are crucial for managing tree growth and preventing potential hazards. We remove dead or overgrown branches to maintain tree structure and aesthetics. For land clearing, we prepare properties for new developments or create usable space by safely removing trees, stumps, and other vegetation. Our experienced team handles projects of all sizes, from small residential areas to large industrial sites.